Hi, Ms. Graham here up in A213, welcoming you back to Iroquois Elementary School. Can't wait until Tuesday and see all your faces. Uh, by the way, my face is going to look like this when you come in on Tuesday. Just so you know, still me under here. By the way, if you like the gator, you're all getting one of these when you get to school on Tuesday. So speaking of Tuesday, when you arrive on Tuesday morning, please come directly to homeroom if you have me for homeroom. Come on into the room. I will direct you to your desk and I'll help you figure out what to keep inside your desk, and then I'll send you out to your locker to put away the rest of your belongings that you won't need to have here in class. I'm just going to take a couple minutes to go over our schedule so you know what to expect when you get here on Tuesday, and then I'll say goodbye um, until I see you in person on Tuesday. So let me flip you over to, oh, you know what? One more thing. I'm going to zoom around just so you can get a look at the classroom. This is me filming from the back of the room at my desk. And as you can see, it looks pretty ordinary, other than the fact that we have less furniture in the room and fewer desks. And that is to allow us to keep our social distance of 6 feet or more so we can keep everybody safe. Okay, now for real, I am going to share the schedule with you. Excuse me. Our schedule. This is what it's going to look like. A little different than in the years past, but as you can see, our homeroom begins at 8:35 and will go all the way up until 9 o'clock. So we have a little bit of extra time. People will be arriving at different times throughout the morning, whether you come as a car rider, a walker, or a busser. You will report directly to homeroom and you'll have your breakfast and we'll get you ready for the day. Like I said, on Tuesday, the first day of school, make sure that you come into the classroom. I'll get you your desk and you can unpack some things from your book bag into your desk, and then I'll send you out to tell you which locker is yours and you can put the rest of your things out there. After homeroom, beginning at 9 o'clock, 9 to 10:30, we will all of sixth grade begin our block one. Now for you, if you're in my homeroom, that means that you will have ELA. Okay, so you'll have ELA first block, English Language Arts. Then from 10:35 till 12:05, a second block, this is block two. You'll stay here in our homeroom at your desk with all of your belongings, your supplies, your materials, and Mr. Rhodes will come here and teach you math. So you'll be able to stay nice and organized. You won't have to worry about what to take to class. If you have to stop at your lockers, all of that will be eliminated. You'll be here with everything you need and Mr. Rhodes will come to you. Then from 12:05 to 12:25, that is the time in our day where we get to watch student news, which allows us to keep up on current events. We can hold class meetings if we have anything special coming up or if there are issues that arise. And sometimes it's just a way that we can communicate and share what's going on in our lives outside of school. So student news, class meeting, and then tutorial. That means if you're having trouble in a subject area, then you have that time slot where you can actually talk to your teacher or possibly work with an AmeriCorps volunteer, whatever we need to do to help you get caught up or to help you understand something if you're having an issue. So then from 12:30 to 1, that is our lunchtime. We will still be able to eat in the cafeteria, but it will look different. On Tuesday morning, sometime later in the morning, I will take you down to the cafeteria and I'll show you the current setup and I will show you your assigned seats. Following lunch, 103 to 143, you'll come back upstairs to your homeroom, back to your regular desk, and your specials teachers will come to you. I believe we have STEM on our first day on Tuesday. I'll have to check. I will give you your entire complete schedule on Tuesday when you're here. But so your STEM teacher will come here to you. You'll still be at your regular desk. You'll have your class. And then recess is also going to take place during this time. Now, unfortunately, because of the pandemic and because we need to stay safe and social distance, we can't take our whole grade level recesses like we used to. So if you have phys ed or gym that day, you will be allowed to be on the playground. If you have any of the other specials, you'll still get a break, and most likely you'll be outside for that break so you can take your masks off, get some fresh air. But it won't be the regular recess that you are accustomed to, unfortunately. That's just temporary too. Anyway, following the specials and recess, 145 to 250 will actually be your final class or block for the day. So this is block 3, and that's where you will have either science or social studies. So since I teach social studies and you're in my homeroom, that means you'll have social studies on the first day, and then the second day, Mr. Rhodes will come here to you and he'll teach you science, and we'll rotate or alternate back and forth between the two. As you can see at the end of our schedule, dismissal begins a little bit earlier. That is because we have some different procedures to follow, and I will explain all of that to you on Tuesday. So I think that's all you need to know to be ready for the first day of school. Like I said, I'm so excited for Tuesday. I can't wait to see you all. And in the meantime, have a safe and fun weekend. Bye.